Alright, we are back with another video, man. Today's video, we're doing a stock market update. Doubt anybody's watching these videos, man, but hey, for those of you guys that do end up finding this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what's going on in the market as of right now and keep you guys updated so you guys don't lose a whole bunch of money. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you guys see what's going on today, man, you guys see that I'm trading QQQ. I did end up making about $300 on the day on QQQ, which is basically it's basically the Nasdaq, but whatever it moves, whatever the Nasdaq moves, it moves 1 times the Nasdaq. So basically, if the Nasdaq is up 1%, this is going to be up 2%. Simple as that. Okay, so as you can see, pre-market for this specific ETF, we jumped up here and then we started to create a little support and then we sold off across the 200-day moving average, and then we sold off. So I'm here to explain to you guys why it did what it did today, and this is exactly why. So as you see here, we have non-farm payrolls, which is basically how many jobs in February were created, right? So as you can see, we expected 205K, and the previous last month in what? January? Yeah, the previous last month in January was 504K. And we did not create as many jobs as we thought we were going to, which caused the market to go down. This is bad for the market. I've explained in an earlier video as to why it's bad for the market. Basically, you have to think of everything in a reverse way, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But so you see this was announced pre-market. You see that this was bad for the market, and then right when the market opened, sold off, right? But you see that our unemployment rate was at 3.6. We were expected 3.4, so we beat expectations on the employment rate, which caused the market to, as you can see here, go up, right? So with one thing being bad and the other thing being good, which caused the market to be kind of choppy today. But as you can see, overall, we took over for the most part, and then you can see that we're starting to break back through and push back up. So there is something very, very, very important happening on, I believe, Wednesday of February. Wednesday, March 14th. And as you see here, that is the CPI report. Now, the CPI report is very, very important because it shows if our inflation is continued to decrease or if it's increasing month after month, okay? And I'll tell you guys this right now. Let me show you guys this, right? You see I have this line right here. It's not there for no reason. So if we come here, let me zoom out to the six month, right? So as you can see here, we've been trading in here for a while, right? For quite some time. And you see here that we are now approaching this little blue line. From our bots, we're approaching a blue line here. This is what I like to call a critical point in the market, right? So if we do end up breaking this blue line right here, look how much potential for downside opportunity we have here. Talk about making money shorting the market, right? So look, let me just see how much this move would be here. Right there, that is a 11% move, a $32 move, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, so if we do end up breaking that blue line, what could cause this, right? The CPI report coming in, either if it missed expectations or even worse, it doesn't hit them at all. You know what I'm saying? So that could also cause the market to break this support level I have right here. So we have hit a double bottom. We're testing it. You see, we did break below it. We did break below it for a couple seconds. Like a couple seconds, and then we push back up. You can see that right here on the 5-minute, push back up. So, you know, I don't think we'll be below here until the CPI report comes out, but that's something that you guys should most definitely be looking out for March 14th. And yeah, like I said, I want to do a live trade, but yeah, man. So it was a start of a rough week this week for sure. And then, you know, we're slowly making it back. But you know what I'm saying? this is what I love to do, man. So we're just gonna keep pushing. We're just gonna keep pushing. And if I do it for long enough, I have to make it back eventually. You know what I'm saying? So this is gonna end up being something that's gonna be long term on my YouTube channel. So yeah. So that's pretty much all the stock market updates for today. Now next week it'll be huge. I want to live stream. I think I might live stream a CPI report, and just so you guys can see how the market reacts, see how I play it. I'm not a perfect trader. I'll never be a perfect trader, but you know, my job here on YouTube, man. My job here on YouTube is to just make money consistently. You know what I'm saying? So you know, so yeah, that's pretty much it, man. If you guys like content like this, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in more stock market updates, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. Like I said, catch you guys in the next one.